Hi, this is Francis from A+ Tutoring. In this session, I'm going to show you what is telescoping series and how do you find out if it's converging or diverging. Now, telescoping series is basically you have one term and subtract another term. Both terms, it cancel out in the middle, okay? So a lot of terms in the middle that will cancel out. So what do I mean from that? If you look at this series, and telescoping series, what is important is n is always starting at 1, okay? I put that in my notes as well, n is starting at 1. And then what you have to do is to figure out what are the terms that it cancel out. Okay, if n is equal to 1, I have 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1/2. And then if n is equals to 2, I have plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. If n is equals to 3, I have plus 1/3 minus 1/4. And then plus 1/4 minus 1/5. And then dot, dot, dot. If you look at all these terms, the second, the third term here cancel. Minus 1/3 plus 1/3 minus 1/4 plus 1/4 minus 1/5 plus 1/5. What is left in this series is the first term and the last term. So I have 1 minus, that last term is basically 1 over n plus 1. And then now what you need to do is to take the limit of n approaching to infinity, 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. And then this is going to give you 1 because when n is approaching to infinity, it's 1 over infinity, which is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So therefore, my series converges to sum equals to 1. Okay. From my notes here, you can see that the sum is basically taking a limit of n approaching to infinity of the last term, saying that the limit, it converges to a valid number. If it's equals to plus or minus infinity, then it would just be divergence. So therefore, this is telescoping series. For more information about telescoping series, please visit my website, goforA+.com.